Today I am in Ceylon, Bangkok, and I'm going to get myself a suit at Overseas Tailor. Hello,
Hi, Steven.
I'm Martin.
Nice to meet you.
I came to find a suit, obviously.
Sure,
That's
yes.
why I'm here.
Please take a seat.
Thank you. I see you have a lot of options.
Can I offer you some water, sir?
Uh,
Maybe a small beer?
just water.
Just water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to be healthy.
Sure. For you, sir.
Thank you.
So, do you have any idea that what you're looking for?
I already have like a couple of suits, but
Mhm.
I just wanted to get maybe something more special.
So, these are the catalog that you can choose the style from,
Okay.
and we have the many colors, sir. So, basically, this is the style, for we are made to show the customer. This is with a peak lapel, right? And then this
Okay.
is with that notch lapel, right? And this is with a regular thread, and this is with a something we match, with a gold thread. And this is with a slightly slanted pocket, and this is with a straight pocket. So you can also customize the buttons. We have the regular button. This is very regular. We also have the nice horns button. We also have the metal buttons. We also have the gold buttons. So it's
Gold
all
as
up to
well.
you, yeah. And also the lining. We'll let you pick the lining.
All right.
Right, this is for fun, we have thousands of color for the lining.
Yeah.
Even you can do your monogram or initial,
Okay.
you can also choose the font, right? This is the normal regular font. This is with a script letter, right?
Mhm.
So these are the things that you can customize your suit.
What are the different qualities that the suits can have?
For the suit, we
Yeah.
have 3 different fabric. We have the normal regular fabric. We also have our signature best quality fabric, and we have the premium one. So I will show you the fabric and you can decide,
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So Martin, this is the basic normal standard fabric. You can take a look. You can also feel the fabric. This is a cashmere wool with a silk mix, 80-20. They mix silk just to get a smooth finishing,
It's very smooth.
Yes. So this is the one. You can feel the fabric. So this is the cashmere with a wool blend, 50-50. This is our signature best quality fabric. And this will cost you 12,000 baht for the jacket and pant. And if you go for 3-piece, it will cost you 15,000. And the first one, it will cost you 12,000 baht with a 3-piece.
Yeah, actually, this is going to be like special suits for me. So I think I want to get something top quality. I want to get
Top
the best quality.
the premium maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's go upstairs.
All right.
All right, come,
let's
please
go.
follow me. Please have a seat.
Wow.
So this is the VIP room. We have the premium fabric here.
It looks
Yeah.
very nice.
Yes, sir.
This room, yeah.
So Martin, this is our most premium fabric, and this will cost you for the suit, 2-piece suit, 15,000. But if you go for 3-piece, it will cost you 20,000.
So what is the exact difference of the fabric? Why is this premium like?
Yes, sir. This is the. Can you feel the fabric? This is the fine virgin wool. This is the merino wool, sir. This fabric is made out of the cashmere and wool, 80% wool, 20% cashmere. There is no any mix with a synthetic or silk or any lycra, so this is not mixed. Armani, Hugo Boss, right? Versace. So those are the same kind of this fabric,
They use this fabric.
Right. The only thing we don't have is the logo, Logo make more expensive. So do you have any idea in your mind? Any particular color you're looking for?
I want to get something black for sure.
Okay.
Maybe not plain this time.
Okay.
Maybe another one. I'm not sure about the color. Maybe blue or maybe brown.
I can help you. Okay. Can you please stand here on the mirror? You can face to the mirror. So I'm gonna show you some different shade of black. Yep. So Martin, this is the black with a pinstripe.
Okay.
Can you hold this?
Sure.
I can also show you the different one. Okay. Just to compare for you. This is the medium gray. You can compare with the black. Can you see the difference?
Yeah, like the new one that you put is lighter.
Lighter, right? Which one do you like between these two?
I think I'm gonna go for darker.
Dark one?
Darker.
Sure, yes. So no to this, right?
Not to this one.
All right.
Let's go for
Sure. Okay, what is the second suit color?
the second one.
What about navy?
Let's check.
This is the navy. Can I show you brown option?
Yeah.
Can you hold this one, please?
Sure.
And then let me show you some light color that I earlier I suggest. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe something like this or something like this. You can see both. Okay. You can compare. Which one do you think is better?
I think I like brown, but I want to see more
Sure.
other kind of brown.
Sure.
If
So
I could compare the color. All right. I think it's so hard to choose, but I think I'm gonna go for the darker one.
The darker one looks
Darker one.
sharp on you. We should make one double-breasted suit like this.
Sounds good.
So just to verify, Martin.
Yeah.
So this is a peak lapel
Okay.
and 2 button, and this is a notch lapel. So for the pinstripe, this suit, for the first suit, the one we are doing for the single-breasted. Do you want to go with the peak lapel or do you want to go with the notch lapel?
I think I'll go with notch.
Notch lapel. Okay, I'm gonna note that. For the second suit, for the double-breasted,
Yeah.
do you want to go with the peak lapel or what do you think?
I think no.
No?
I'm not very fan of the peak
Really?
level, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Right.
And do you want to go with a straight pocket or you want to go slightly angled?
I think
Yeah.
I'll go with
With a straight?
straight.
Okay.
Straight.
Do you want to go with the functional?
Functional is just easier, right?
Easier,
Faster.
yes.
Functional then.
All right, cool.
Functional.
I will note that. Do you like the double-breasted with a 6 button?
Yeah.
Just like this here, yeah?
6 buttons. Yeah.
Sure. And then for the boat suit, do you like to go with the 2 vent or with a middle vent?
Middle.
Middle vent?
yeah.
Just
okay.
1 vent, right?
Yeah,
So
just
for
one.
boat suit, right?
Yeah.
So what about the monogram? Do you want to name inside of the jacket?
All right. Let's
Something?
put it.
Yeah,
Let's put
monogram
my
or,
name, yeah.
or the initial.
Name my name.
Your name?
Name my name.
Just like here? Maybe full name?
Just full name.
Full name, yeah?
Full name.
Sure, yes. So, okay, Martin, this is the premium suit. I would like to recommend you with the special button, with the horns button. Come and pick it here. So, this is the horns button you can pick for your suit.
I see.
For example, this one, it will go match with this one because it will highlight your main fabric,
I think I should follow your expertise.
Sure, yes. And for the second one, you can take a look. I think for the second one, you can go this one actually. This one, either this one. They both looking good. You can take a look here.
Yeah. Which one do you think is best?
I think this is the best one.
Yeah, I will choose this one. I will follow your recommendation.
Sure, yeah. So now we already chose the fabric and the style, of course, and also we already picked the buttons. Now the best and fun part is to choose the lining,
Oh, I can
Yeah.
customize the lining as well?
Yeah, you can
Oh,
also
yours
custom.
looks very cool actually.
Thank you. So let's choose the lining and after we do the measurement, okay?
All right, let's do that.
So Martin, these are all the lining you can pick for inside the
Okay.
jacket. You can take a look. This is the fun part of the bespoke suit, You can
Yeah.
pick any color lining. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
take
it's
a look.
actually
Which
very
one do you
cool.
like?
I kind of like flowers, maybe especially for the black one.
Which one? We got this in flower.
You have any other?
And we have this in flower also.
All right.
All right, take a look.
Oh, they both look great. What do you recommend?
I like light one actually. Let's go with this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, let's go with this one,
Sure.
definitely.
And what about for the second suit?
For the second.
Second suit, I really like to recommend this one. So what do you think about this one?
I think the other one maybe it's great, but this one looks more classy, and I think this one I'll go for more classy.
I agree because rather than choosing the pink, I like to recommend this one.
All right.
Yeah. All right, Martin. So I'm gonna take your measurement now.
Okay.
You ready?
Let's do it.
Please come. So for the suit, both one. Do you want slim fit or regular fit or comfortable, like comfy?
A little bit comfy. I don't want it too slim fit, but I don't want it super comfy. I don't want to look like
Sure.
my grandfather
I'll make for you
wearing.
nice slim fit, and still you can also.
Yeah, not as
comfortable,
slim fit as you.
Yeah, I understand. อก40 บ้าหลัง 17 ครึ่ง แขนยาว 23 คนขาย 24 Martin, do you want your initial or monogram inside the jacket?
Yeah, I think I want it.
Can you please write me here?
Sure.
What do you like to write inside? So Martin, thank you so much for visiting our shop. We'll see you tomorrow for the fitting, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi Martin.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Is my suit ready?
Yes, yeah, you're ready.
Oh, perfect. Only one day and it's ready
yeah.
already. Okay.
Let's go upstairs to try the suit.
Okay, yeah.
Sure. So Martin, this is the suit here. We're
Okay.
gonna try. This is for the ready for the fitting. This is the jacket. This is the vest. This is the shirt, and then we got here pants. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try the vest.
All right.
Look at the lining.
Yeah.
Beautiful,
The
right?
flowers. It looks really mafia. Like Al Pacino.
That's
Al
good,
Pacino
yeah.
style. Don
That's good,
Corleone.
Mhm.
I made the suit properly, or I will bury you with the.
With a gun. That's fun. So Martin, how do you feel the vest? Do you want me to make a bit smaller?
It doesn't bother at all.
Mhm.
And do you think it's too big?
We can make a bit slimmer. Just
Maybe,
a
yeah,
bit-
on the
yeah.
size it looks,
Let's do that.
it's very comfortable, but
Mhm.
yeah, maybe a little bit,
Let's try to make it a bit slimmer, okay?
just a little bit. I might work out more.
So when you wear the tie, you still see the ties, okay, here?
It looks great, I like it, but is it possible to get it just a little bit so I could see the tie when I'm
Sure,
wearing
yeah,
it?
slightly,
Just-
right?
Just a little bit, maybe
Sure,
like
of course,
two
yes.
finger maybe?
Of course, yes. I can show you right away. Just give me
that's
a
great.
moment, okay?
Oh, you are an expert.
There you go.
I like it.
What do you think about here? This is fine? A bit lower?
I love it.
You can see the tie now, huh?
I really like it.
All right.
I really,
all right.
really like it.
What about the body part? You want to make more slimmer?
Let me try to move around.
You still got a belt here. You can also make tighter, looser
I
from the
think
back.
I want to ask you if in the future I get bigger, can it be adjusted?
Actually, in our bespoke suit, we
Yes.
always left small extra fabric. So you can always adjust bigger, smaller, you know.
Perfect.
Even if you want to make longer, shorter, anything is possible. So Martin, this is the main time to make the adjustment, even the longer, shorter. So what do you think? What do you think on the ears? Can I make more slimmer or is that okay for you?
I think it's okay. No
All
more
right.
slimmer.
All right. So what about the length?
Actually, it would be okay if it's a little bit longer still, right?
Right, right. Let's do 2 centimeters, sir. I suggest to make
It couldn't
a bit
touch the
longer.
ground, yeah?
Nope.
With-
So just like this. Just like this.
And then it
So
will have
slightly-
just the break a little bit more.
one break.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. So Martin, I'm done with the fitting today with the suit, and I see you tomorrow. You can pick up the finished suit.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. So Martin, nice to see you again.
good to see you too.
So these are the suit ready, okay? This
Yeah.
is the first suit, jacket, vest, pants, right?
Wow.
This is the second suit.
Wow.
So jacket, vest, shirt, and pants, right?
Okay.
Take a look the lining, Martin.
Oh, it's
What do you
so
think?
Nice. Like the red, the blue,
Uh-huh.
with the black.
Right.
It looks like a mafia boss.
Okay.
Al Pacino style.
Okay, what about this here?
I love it.
What about this here?
Yeah, this is nice. You had a good recommendation actually with the brown tones.
Mm-hmm. Yes, this
I-
highlight your main fabric, you know?
Yeah.
Take a look the initial monogram,
Yes, so
Martin
nice.
Bravo, right?
You spell it correctly.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, great.
And
So,
this is the horn.
Hans button, yes.
button.
So yeah, let's try the suit then.
Sure.
You can
sure.
check as a final result.
All
okay?
right. Yeah. Let's try it out.
Sure.
Wow, look at that. I feel great. I'm just feeling great. That's the word. Thank you so much.
Wow, Martin, he looks really great.
Yeah, it's
How
so
do you
cool.
feel?
The double-breasted
Vest,
vest
yeah.
is so cool.
You look different actually, Martin. Looks good on you.
Yeah. Do I look nice?
Hey, great. More than nice.
Thank you.
So let's try the second suit.
All right. I can't
right.
wait for that.
Sure. Let's do this.
Okay. Wow, I'm really happy of how the suits came and it looks really great.
Thank you so much, Martin, for visiting our shop, and I see you in the future.
Thank you. I love the suits.
Great. It's good to know.
I'll be back.
We'll see you again.